Okay guys, now in Punthuk Setumbu, in the cafe, we take a picture of Borobudur in the sunrise. Cafe is the best view.
This is the place we are going to take some Borobudur sunrise photo and video here, because this is our team think that this is the best viewpoints of the Borobudur.
Yeah, I think so. You should look over there. It's amazing. This morning is very beautiful because with the cloud, but still have some light from the sun and the orange light over there. You look at this, and then you see in February. In February, the light of the sunrise is from the right side of the Borobudur. Borobudur over there. Just look this. Then in summer, like June, July, August, maybe sunrise become this left side, shift to left side is near of the Borobudur. So in the summer is more good because the sunrise is near from the Borobudur over there. Yeah, beautiful, gonna be beautiful. But now we can take a picture from landscape to take a Borobudur and then take a sunrise in the same time in one frame. It's maybe a little bit hard, maybe effort, because this Borobudur is from here about 2.5 kilometers. Yeah, like okay, it's nice to take a picture of the Borobudur only. Oh, it's good. It's, you see the over behind this Borobudur. Ever this light, it's nice for the picture. So we take a picture with this camera A7 IV with 200 millimeters. Okay guys, now in Punthuk Setumbu, in the cafe, we take a picture of Borobudur in the sunrise. So in the February, we lucky here because we got a picture like this. It mostly is cloudy and difficult to get the sunrise. So Borobudur, in the strike over there, and the sunrise is right in the right, not yes, the right. So I try with camera with lens of 70 to 200. So if I can try just improvement, take a picture with Borobudur and the sunrise It's so hard, so a little bit effort like this. I think I can try to get with 70. 70 is the wider, but the Borobudur is small. This look small, but we get the sunrise in the right side. So you can take picture over there. Here we use a tripod, so we can shutter speed, low shutter speed, and with the slow shutter speed, I free to take ISO, the lowest ISO. If 50, I think it's the lowest ISO, 50. Purpose, hope is Borobudur is sharp over there, and then use focal length is 8 here. 8 is good for a landscape photography. 8 is more sharp, and over the crowd over there is beautiful. It is a Borobudur, and you see there's like trees, like a forest over there with the cloudy in front. Which is very amazing photography, stunning. Today this and then you see that Borobudur is more pop up, more stunning over there, more pop up over, because this is a cloudy in front. So this picture is, I think it's very beautiful with first we get a sunrise is okay with 17, okay, and then I can improve to take a picture with little bit sunrise, and then Borobudur is more big, I think. So I take with try with 100, I think 100. 100 is more, it's okay, more close Borobudur, and more miss with the you look crowd, more is more miss, I think mystic this cloudy vibe, yeah. And then sunrise you get a yellow in the right side and Borobudur in. And the last time we can try this more zoom after full to 200. This hope this focus to Borobudur, ignore the sunrise, but we get the Borobudur and the crowd, I think. See this, focus to the Borobudur over there with 200. Okay, this I think try to the dead Borobudur in the focus in the middle, just try, and then take a picture over there. Nice, and then we can try in Borobudur in the left side, so we get a golden ratio with maybe hope this sunrise have okay like this the dive, and then we take a picture. Oh, beautiful. And now we get a jackpot, the jackpot of in the left side of Borobudur is a mountain of Merapi mountain, the most active volcano in Indonesia. Yeah, this Merapi mountain. You look over there, this is have the composition of the Borobudur, and the Merapi is okay because this Merapi have the like color. The color composition is nice today. I think we have a jackpot today. Yeah, and we take a picture with maybe try with get the Borobudur and Merapi over there. Okay, yes, is 100. We get the Merapi, but it's not a rule of the Borobudur, but we get the Merapi mountain. Okay, can try. Wow, very nice. Yes, after we saw after here, we try to video another video,
Another
another with the time lapse is photo Borobudur